women do job after getting married or not?
Yes, sir. Of course, women should be in job because the job married women also they do job because it's give us a financial independence. If they do job, they also help in a household incomes. So it's a best option to help your partner in family.
I also agreed with you, dear friends. Yes, but we should aware about the after getting married what happens. So both took oath for take a fulfill their life and take the good responsibilities with ending happiness. Na? So that there are a lot of houseworks and responsibility comes together. If they will be do the same job, then definitely they cannot handle their whole responsibility, housework like that. They have a lot good kids. So, in my point of view, if both will be do the job, then definitely their house will be not managed much in a good manner.
So, but there are many women who just manage household work and their job also.
Ma'am, this will create a work life, stress and very much of anxiety in your life, and this will also create impact the relationship between the partners, and the children will also get affected by your relationship. It will be
So
not
your
good
partner says we take oath, no? So
Yes,
it
sir.
means you have mutual understanding about your relationship, no?
Yes, ma'am, we have mutual understanding
So-
about the relationship. We have to take care of the children both, but ma'am, the motherhood quality of
Yes, working
is
woman.
not with the father of the child, right? The mother has the best quality of the motherhood.
So it means you say that all responsibility about the mother.
No, I'm not
about
saying
the
that
father.
all responsibility will be with the mother, but I am saying that the child needs the most of the time. The child needs the mother in every case, right? Father have a good time and father have a good role in raising the child, but the motherhood quality is not in everyone.
If working mother important of life, model of children, important of education and career goals.
In my point of view, we are seeing that the women have a lot of maturityness, kindness, and patience better than men's. And no one can provide the same feelings to their child also. A child whose age is up to the growing, fulfilling, then definitely they are totally dependent on their mothers also. So if the mother will be do the job, then definitely the same problems will be happen. They can no one can provide the same nutrition, same diets to their children for their fulfillment and for their improvement. So, in my point of view, okay, let me explain. I will give the chance. So, in my point of view, women should not require the job after getting married. Okay, go ahead.
I think if job is important of the merit, we वो freedom फर्स्ट फ्रीडम होना चाहिए, फाइनेंशियल बेनिफिट, फैमिली बेनिफिट, फाइनेंशियल बेनिफिट, और एक वर्किंग मदर इम्पोर्टेंट रोल्स ऑफ मॉडल चिल्ड्रन ऑफ इम्पोर्टेंट कैरियर्स, important education, important
Sir,
career
everyone
goals.
says that mother is the first role model of our in our life is our mother, right? So there are many working women who do just like doctors, teachers, and all. So we as a children we get influenced by our mother how to be enhance in society, na. So
Okay.
also women also help in household social works. There are many more NGOs which is run by the women because if married women run the NGOs, they know how many problems are married women face. Just like about the not mutual understanding about their relationship, about their family problem. So they help us, no. So.
Yes, ma'am, I also agreed with you, but we have this type of mentality comes our mind that if someone doing his housework, that then they did not get the freedom life. So this is the wrong mentality that of a woman who is serving the
So
life
it's
of
a
the
wrong
children
mentality. It's a wrong
and the
mentality.
housework. So it is not dependent that the who have a lot of deny of freedomness. So this is our mentality. And one incident also happened with my friends who's also doing a job in police departments. And suddenly his wife get the job in primary teacher, and they have a 3 years old child. So after 6 months, they realize that their child is reducing their weight due to not enough getting the much more nutrition and food also. So after both the decisions, her wife denies and given the resignations to their job for maintain the life of the child.
Sir,
Also.
it's also responsibility